Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to prove the formula for phase shifting. Phase shifting, or it is also called as S shifting. So it is basically this is okay. So let's say a function, I have a function ft. So in the Laplace transformation it is converted into fs, right? Okay, let's say the function is multiplied by e to the at, then the formula is fs minus a, right? We are going to prove this theorem. Okay, so let's prove this one. Let's consider a Laplace transformation of e to the at times ft. This is the integral from 0 to infinity e to at times f to ft times e to the minus st. So we have to integrate by dt from 0 to infinity. So this is 0 to infinity. It is ft times e to the at minus st. Now I am going to take the minus sign outside from here. So it is e to the minus s minus a t dt. Here if I consider minus s is minus s minus a, so by shifting I can say this is equals to, it is f s minus a, right? Because in, let's say I have 0 to infinity ft e to the minus st dt. So this is the term I have to take as the in this formula, right? This is, these things, these two are equal, right? So here I have s minus a, so in the function I have to substitute s minus a. Okay, so we have proved this theorem. So Laplace transformation of e to the at ft equals fs minus a if Laplace transformation of ft is equals to fs, right? Let's talk about some examples in the next video. So thank you for watching.